Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to learn a few more sentences which we use it in our daily routine. So let's start. Sick of, tang aa jana. I am sick of making him understand not to call me. I am sick of making him understand not to call me. गाली गलौज मत करो. Don't exchange hot talks. Don't exchange hot talks. वह घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा था. He was having deep and careful sleep. He was having deep and careful sleep. मैंने एक सपना देखा. I dreamt a dream. I dreamt a dream. मुझे इसका ध्यान नहीं रहा. I was not mindful of it. I was not mindful of it. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. तुम्हें कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? मैं तुम्हें फोन करने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come over here? Why have you come over here? तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता है. You know nothing. You know nothing. If you really like this video, do like and subscribe. Join with us. See you in the next video.